Are you a teenager with big dreams and financial ambitions? Do you want to become a millionaire at a young age? Well, you're in the right place. Welcome to our channel where we unlock the secrets to financial success. In this video, we're going to reveal the 7 principles for teenagers to become millionaires. So, grab your notepads and let's start your journey to financial freedom. Number 1. Be a pawn before you're a king. The phrase, be a pawn before you're a king, underscores the importance of humility, patience, and perseverance on the path to success. It encourages individuals to embrace their initial roles and responsibilities, often as insignificant as a pawn in a chess game, before aiming for higher positions of power or influence. To become a king in your chosen field or life, you must first be willing to play the role of a pawn. This means starting from the bottom, learning the ropes, and proving your dedication and worth. It involves respecting the journey and acknowledging that success doesn't happen overnight. Listening to and learning from experienced individuals, often referred to as elders, is a vital part of this process. Their wisdom and guidance can provide valuable insights and shortcuts to success. Recognizing that you have much to learn and room for growth is essential on this journey. Number 2. Dress to elevate. The advice to dress to elevate emphasizes the significance of personal presentation, particularly for teenagers, who may often face initial skepticism due to their age. Dressing well can be a powerful tool in earning respect and making a positive impression. It's not about spending a fortune on designer labels, instead, it's about making smart clothing choices. Investing in classic and timeless clothing items that fit well is key. Such pieces exude sophistication and can be versatile. Clothes that are neither too baggy nor too tight provide a polished look. This balanced fit complements your physique and conveys a sense of self-assuredness. As you progress, you can introduce more formal attire like suits and double-breasted coats into your wardrobe. However, it's vital to maintain simplicity and elegance. Clean lines and minimalistic styles often project a mature and refined image. Number 3. Be a student of the game. Being a student of the game is a crucial mindset in any pursuit, whether it's sports, business, or personal development. It entails a relentless hunger for knowledge and a willingness to seek guidance from those who have already walked the path you're on. First and foremost, it means asking questions. Don't hesitate to inquire about what you don't know. Asking questions is a powerful way to learn and grow. It not only fills gaps in your knowledge, but also shows your curiosity and enthusiasm for improvement. Reading books is another invaluable aspect of being a student of the game. Books are a treasure trove of wisdom, offering insights from experts, distilled over years of experience. They allow you to benefit from others' experiences and expand your understanding of the subject at hand. Surrounding yourself with individuals who are more experienced than you is perhaps the most effective way to accelerate your learning. Being in the company of experts and mentors provides a rich source of guidance and support. It enables you to observe their successes and learn from their mistakes, saving you from making the same errors on your journey. Number 4. Find your niche. Finding your niche is a fundamental step toward personal and professional success. It involves a strategic alignment of your passions and strengths with your chosen field. First, identify what you're good at and what you genuinely enjoy doing. This intersection is where your niche is likely to exist. When you're passionate about something and have a natural aptitude for it, the journey becomes more fulfilling. Once you've pinpointed your niche, focus on building your skills. Commit to continuous improvement and become an expert in your chosen area. This expertise will set you apart from the competition and increase your credibility. Next, offer your services or products to your network. Use your existing contacts as a testing ground. Gather their feedback to refine your offerings. Constructive criticism is invaluable for growth, helping you make necessary adjustments and improvements. As you refine your craft, aim to become the go-to person in your niche. This means consistently delivering high-quality work and exceeding expectations. Building a reputation for excellence in your field will attract more clients or opportunities. Number 5. Don't be afraid to fail. Don't be afraid to fail is a vital mantra for anyone striving for success and personal growth. Failure is not the end, it's a stepping stone to progress. Failure is an integral part of the journey towards success. Embrace it as a valuable teacher rather than a setback. Every stumble is an opportunity to learn and grow, to refine your approach, and discover what works best. It's a chance to build resilience and adaptability. The fear of failure can be paralyzing, preventing you from taking necessary risks and pursuing your goals. It's crucial to understand that even the most accomplished individuals have faced failure at some point in their lives. It's a common thread among successful people, and it's what distinguishes those who persevere from those who give up. When you encounter failure, take the time to reflect on what went wrong and what you can do differently. This introspection is the key to turning setbacks into stepping stones. Failure is not a verdict on your abilities but an indicator of areas that need improvement. Remember, the road to success is paved with challenges and setbacks. Every successful person has a history of failures that eventually led them to triumph. So, don't let fear hold you back. Embrace failure, learn from it, and keep moving forward. It's a necessary part of the journey toward achieving your dreams and ambitions. Number 6. Be patient. Accumulating wealth is a gradual and often slow process. Just as Rome wasn't constructed in a day, financial prosperity takes time, commitment, and consistency. It's important to temper your expectations and not anticipate rapid riches. Instead, focus on the journey and the systematic steps you take to build wealth. Overnight success is a rare occurrence, and those who seek it may become disheartened when quick results don't materialize. Wealth accumulation is typically a gradual journey that involves saving, investing, and, in many cases, income growth. These factors require time to mature and yield substantial results. To practice patience, it's crucial to set clear and realistic financial goals. Break these objectives down into manageable milestones, which allows you to monitor your progress and stay motivated. The process of building wealth also involves financial education. Continuously seek knowledge about personal finance, investments, and wealth-building strategies. Consider seeking advice from financial experts or mentors to refine your approach. By embracing patience, you can make informed financial decisions, avoid impulsive actions, and remain committed to your long-term goals. Remember that the ultimate objective is not only to amass wealth but also to manage it wisely and sustainably. Number 7. Give back. Once you attain a certain level of success, it's essential to recognize the privileges and opportunities that have come your way. Giving back is a way to share the benefits of your achievements and make a positive impact on others. Using your wealth and influence for the betterment of your community is a fulfilling and noble endeavor. There are various ways to give back, from charitable donations to volunteering your time and expertise. Your actions can address critical issues such as poverty, education, healthcare, or environmental conservation. Giving back not only benefits those in need, but also enhances your own sense of purpose and satisfaction. It's an opportunity to leave a lasting legacy, inspire positive change, and set an example for others. Many successful individuals establish foundations and scholarship programs or support nonprofit organizations to leverage their resources for social good. Additionally, mentorship and sharing knowledge with aspiring individuals can have a profound impact on their lives and career trajectories. However, giving back is a responsibility that comes with success. It's a way to leverage your wealth and influence to create a better world. By supporting your community and helping others, you contribute to the betterment of society and ensure that your success has a meaningful and lasting impact. And there you have it, the 7 principles for teenagers to become millionaires. We hope this video has been informative and motivating for you. If you found this content valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on achieving financial success. Remember, it's never too early to start working towards your dreams. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.